All right, guys, we're at Casino Arizona on some lightning link. Tiki Fire. Welcome back, YouTube. We're at Casino Arizona on Five Fortunes. Not sure, was walking by. The bags were wiggling and jiggling. I figured, all right, maybe we could try it. Got 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent denom. We're just gonna throw a little bit of money in here and see what we can get. I don't even know what it does. I only did $2. No, look, that would have lined up. All right, see if we can get something to pop here, guys.
I'm guessing we want all 5 of them.
It's
so loud in here too. Hopefully you guys can hear us. Hopefully everyone's been doing great out in their real lives outside of the casino.
Oh my God, we got a line hit.
Are they all shaking?
I don't know. That's what I was saying. See?
Just ready to bust.
But we got to get some line hits of something. I got 30 cents for my 9s.
All right, here we go. That's a power boost.
Yeah, power boost, cash boost. Power burst, power blast, cash blast. There is wild.
They exist.
I have no idea. Oh, I wish there was some wild.
That guy should have been wild. Looks like a wild guy.
Yeah, fish. What do we got? How much? $10. All right, we finally made a little bit of money.
We started with 120 in free play.
Yes, double. Oh.
He pays for 2 though.
All right. I guess we need a full screen of him. Sticky button. Okay, you want to stay on it?
Let's try it. Let's give it 100. You want to lower the bet?
Well, change the denom maybe and see if it. What is that, like 350 or something?
Yeah, let's try that.
352.
So,
I don't know. They can get full, I guess.
The first 120 was free play.
Yes.
So we're only in 100 cash.
Gotta get a line hit here or something. Is it shaky? What do we got?
Got it. Nope.
All the way.
Did it. All right. Hey. We're
we
rich.
made some money. Come on, pop something.
Maybe, like I said a lot of times, maybe this will be when we win our first grand is on this.
10,304.
I always say it'll be on something we never play.
I don't know, man. They were shaking and doing all that fun stuff, but I think it was just a tease to get me to stop.
It worked.
It did. We needed a froggy in the front.
My question is, is we're only in $100.
Yes.
If we get a bonus, will it be more than $100?
That
Damn.
was me. I don't know.
I think with words like power blast
or boost.
Or boost.
How about cash blast? That one's not shaking yet, is it? Oh, there it goes. Oh, we got something. The volume's very quiet.
2.
Oh, okay. That was odd. Oh, it just goes. Okay, sorry. We're going, guys. We're going.
Yeah, just going automatically. I wonder if this is
What's
boost?
the boost or what's the blast? Okay. Oh, we're gonna boost and we're gonna blast. Oh, 3x. Everything? Oh, yeah. What's our blast? What are we blasting?
We
Oh, we collected. Oh, twice? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, 3 times? Oh, yes. Okay, is it just gonna start going? Nope, okay.
Let's do that again.
Yeah, give me one of those colors again. Oh, come on, anything, anything.
Do we collect that also?
You collect those and then collect it again. So 300. Nice.
Holy crap. I had no idea we were gonna win $300 on this one.
It doesn't let, oh, there we go. 303. All right.
Good choice for your first pick here.
Oh, and it's just going. I guess it just decides. Well, we have a couple more, so we could try a few more.
All right, what do you want? 1 cent?
Come on. It's so loud over here.
Very loud. This casino's probably the loudest casino.
For sure.
And they don't even have music playing.
No, this is just games.
Like
this
at
is the
Harrah's,
background.
it was always the music in the background.
Yeah. Oh, red one?
That was loud, but
Yeah,
here,
you'd have to ask them to turn it down. Here,
It's the
these are
machines.
just the machines, y'all. Like, they have no filter on how loud they go. Come on. Come on. We need something else to pop up there.
and it went randomly.
Yeah, we got one and then he popped the other for us. Come on. How about a burst of
I would
booster
take another blast.
Well, there's cash blast and power blast.
You got a bit less.
How about that one? Oh, fakey. All the way? That's like $160, I think.
Blast some money up.
$172. Hey, this game's pretty damn fun.
Who needs Dragon Link when you got 5 fortunes in your life? Hey, another $54. You missed it.
Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, they're shaking up there. All right for the rapid.
Magic fingers, guys. Double pop.
Let's
Wait,
go.
triple.
Oh, what?
Triple.
What?
4.
Quadruple?
We're getting them all.
How about this blue one? Holy ravioli, guys. Let's go. Okay, it just goes and we don't know what it does, but let's keep going. We need some colored coins. Colored coins, guys. 4 pop. Come on. All right. What do we got? Power burst.
All right.
I like this. How about some bigger numbers?
That's the one we wanted. Last time Power Blast was great.
All right, it adds money, which added quite a good amount. What do we blast in? Blast me again, baby. Blast me again.
Do it again. How about another one?
Nice. Come on. Oh, a minor. How much is a minor? $200. Let's go. All right. Come on. One more. Do we collect it all again, or what do we? That's
$600.
Like $40, $50.
Holy crap.
This game is freaking fun. $654.
Alright, we should leave.
Oh my god, this is freaking fun.
But now it's all pop.
It's okay, we can give it a few more spins. Nothing below 1,000.
Alright. We're up $900.
Alright. 5 fortunes. This is pretty darn fun. Don't change your weather buff. Ah, you can't rapid fire.
I know.
So not as significant as
My
you'd
bread
like.
and butter. Double.
Come on.
Hey, it's been a long time since we played like a triple pop. Well,
This is 5. Like a bad game.
yeah. I told Wifey, I'm like, maybe we do a trip where we don't play Dragon Link.
No, that'll be to come. Don't worry.
Oh, that was a lot of fun.
That was super fun.
I'm gonna bump it up
For the
just
last 45?
Yeah.
Okay.
See if we can get it again.
Oh, didn't want to go. Again? What do we got?
It was cool because we only landed one, but then he gave us the rest of them.
Hey, bud. All right. All right, where do we want to move them to? We're going to move you guys. We are up 900. We are taking that money and running. All right, guys. Brought you over to Lightning Lane, Tiki Fire.
All right,
the major is at 948.
As you can see, I lost. We are on a Lightning Link or Dragon Link machine.
Where do you want to start? Oh
So,
my God.
2 cent was good over there. So let's just go to 2 cent, but
Couple
like always, we
$10?
gotta do a couple bigger ones to start.
Oh, $500 right there. Cash money. All right, we need 3 or more of those volcanoes. And of course, some
we did make a
fireballs.
deal that we're only gonna give it a couple hundred.
Yeah, and then we'll move. Oh, sticky button.
And if we don't get something, we're gonna move to something else. But I think we're gonna get something there.
These totems are wild. It's 2 more.
There you go. Button. Almost got our
That button
bet
does
back.
not like you. 5 more.
Wonder why. I wonder if that lady from Talking Stick's been playing this one over here.
Beat the bejeebers at it.
That video was great. But that lady beating those buttons was nuts.
Well, someone's doing it over there. I can
Someone
hear
had
it
left
breathe.
in the comments that they got woodpeckers in Florida also.
Oh no. Sorry about that, guys. Come on, 2 more. 1, no, it went by. Oh, almost.
Ooh, 3 more.
Does have a high major, so of course it's gonna be a little stingy. The husband cannot figure out the button pressing here.
Nope, it's tough. Got it. You got to be firm with it.
Come on, 4 more. 2. Hey, let's go. All right, fill it up with some big numbers. Come on.
How about a minor over here since we got a minor on that other one? And we only bet 264.
Yeah, that was so fun. Come on.
We weren't even betting big.
Oh, fill it up with some fireballs. Come on, no stopping.
Keep them dropping.
Oh, I did that.
Nice.
I don't know if you've landed any though.
Right here.
All right, no stopping. Come on, keep it going.
That's
There
all
we
me.
go. All right, I'll take an $11,000 grand. Come on. One day we will get a grand.
All right. Actually up a little bit of money.
Oh yeah. Came over with 1,002.
Back to back.
Two more. One. Oh.
Should have been right there. Yeah, so if you guys see that 5 Fortune game at your local casino,
Try it. That was fun.
if all those bags are dancing,
Means come play me.
3 more. But in troubles.
Come on, Tiki Fire. 1 Tiki bonus. 3.
Yeah. Just put them right there.
1 good old Tiki bonus. 2 more. They didn't even line up. 3. Backside.
Break the first.
Ah, look at all that. Look at that. That doesn't belong to me.
I was gonna say 10 cent. We were
Yeah, I know.
doing good on 10 cent.
I saw you kept trying to go for it, so. Come on, 3. Yeah, ha ha.
You should have been a ball.
Oh, yeah. What do we got? 25. 2 more. 1. Oh, yeah. Let's go, guys, for some Tiki Fire. All right, guys. We're at Casino Arizona on some Lightning Link. Tiki Fire. Let's go. Multiply me.
There you go. It's gotta be good. It's gotta be a lot of money.
Well, it's 10s and queens, but $200 is great.
How about those birds?
Come on. All the way.
Flowers.
The way. Another. Look at that. Hiya. Come on, one more good one. He blocked us. 403. Let's go.
Back to back.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, again.
Hold on.
All right, guys, we're in Casino Arizona. Triggered the bonus. Let's go. Tiki Fire. We need some multipliers.
$5 bet. 10 cent and off.
Now it is a back-to-back because we did just get it. So let's see if we can get something going here.
A little bit.
I'll take some birds. A little bit.
All the way.
Oh, all the way. $160, $80, $80. Oh my. Let's go. Again?
Lock the machine up.
Come on, let's go.
Let's lock it up.
One more. Retrigger. Freaking retrigger.
That's
Last
6?
spin, guys. I do not know.
Or 3.
I think it's 6.
Give us 6.
It gave us 6, baby. Let's go.
All the wilds. Come on.
Make it worth it. Here we go. Come on.
Alright, here, do it now.
Oh, come on, Tiki Tiki, let's go.
Last spin magic, let's go. Ah,
672. Nice.
do it again.
Oh, of course. Do it.
Well, those are 2 nice bonuses in a row.
We're up
3.
1,000. 3.
We're up 2,000.
Yeah, but I mean,
3
since
more.
we came over.
only put $100 cash in.
Yeah, we started with 100. Come on, Tiki, baby.
So what happens, we play it, you play it enough, you're gonna get wrecked a lot. Eventually, you're gonna win some of that back.
One more? Oh, you could have been a volcano.
Now the major would be a nice
Oh, icing on the cake
little
right there.
Yep.
$9.50 and 50
little
cents.
cherry on top, $950 major.
One more. 2. Come on, big money winning. All right, we're not giving up, putting all our winnings
No,
back
we're not.
here.
We're gonna try a few here.
Come on.
Or
Oh, there they are.
kind of second guessing myself. I was like, I want to try 10 cent,
Whatever.
like
you want.
750, because 10 cent was
Where
good
we
on the
got 'em
final
all.
one.
Come on, baby.
Or maybe,
4 more.
I don't know.
It's okay.
Not second guessing myself. Let's
One
do it.
more,
One more.
one.
One more.
Ah, it almost gotcha.
Begging for it.
There we go. I don't think we're gonna see the balls very much.
There, you saw that one.
I saw
That's
you,
the
baby.
one we want.
Come back to me. Come back to me. Bring all your friends.
All right. Not chickening out.
Bring your friends, honey. Come on. Oh, volcanoes.
Ooh. Right here. Do it now.
Come on. 4 more. That button was rapid.
All right.
All right, we're down from our main high water mark, almost 300 bucks.
Okay. Let's go back here. 1600's our floor.
Okay.
I'm trying to think. I try to rack my brain when we won our most majors.
On what we were on.
Yeah. And I want to say it's 1 cent, $5. So let's give it 100 on this.
You can do it, Tiki. You can do it, you can do it. Where'd your balls go, Tiki? What happened?
2 more.
Oh,
4.
oh, sweetness. Come back.
More.
One more. Oh, no.
There,
Oh,
it's
no.
Late to the eruption.
Oh, no. Voodoo.
Wait.
Oh, oh. What we got? What we got?
All right.
Hey-ya.
Coming out of retirement.
Oh, no.
Lucky left hand. Fresh out of
Put it back.
my pocket.
Put it back. Come on. Major. Major.
All the way.
$21. 4 more. 3.
3.
It could have did the backside, you know? Shoot.
Backside slide.
It was there. 1.
I don't want that single volcano right now. Keep it out of here.
Oh, it gave you another
Bring
single.
it back with 3.
Come on.
6 balls.
one more. Yeah, with a minor. Let's go.
Major.
We got a mini. We got a minor. We
Major
need the
time.
major. All right, guys. Casino Arizona, Tiki Fire. We are going for that max out major. Let's go. Ball bonus. Already got a mini. Already got a minor. Let's go. You know what that leaves. Oh no, come on. You can do it. Put one down in there. Oh, I see that pretty green circling around, guys. I see it. Come on.
One more. No
right,
stopping.
no
Keep
stopping.
on dropping. Come on.
Hey, I'll take that $50. Come on. Fill them all up. Put one down there. All right, no stopping, guys. Oh,
See
I saw
that?
the major. I saw that $100 ball. It all went around.
All right. Not terrible on a $5 bet.
Nice. Woo-wee.
Hey, here we go. You gotta trace it. Draw that triangle.
Yep. Oh, 250, please. Got some birds. All the way.
$10 spins, guys. 2 cent, $10.
Come on. Come on, let's do it.
Ooh. Alright, that didn't work. Let's try a couple here. It's a little better.
Come on.
10 cent, $7.50 now.
We can do it. All those volcanoes are going by. 2.
Could have put them right there. One more.
Come on.
Let's get organized, balls and volcanoes.
I know, right?
Come on.
Here we go. 3, 1, 1. Yeah,
Good
look
job.
at that money, guys. Money, money.
Alright.
All right, guys. Casino Arizona, Tiki Fire, huge ball bonus.
Still
Let's
looking
go.
for this major. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, come on.
Ooh,
No.
stopping.
Come on,
Keep
no
on
stopping.
dropping.
1. I love that $15. And that one. Oh, I really love that one. Come on, baby. Oh, no stopping, guys. No stopping. That is a nice bonus.
Let's go.
Nice.
That 10 cent worked out.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Holy ravioli.
All because that triple pop game at the beginning. Maybe we unlocked it. You played triple pop first. 2 more.
Oh, yeah.
Triple pop first. Dragon Link second.
This is not Dragon Link. This is Lightning Link. You
Same-
unlocked nothing.
Same game. Just a different skin.
Oh, she's doing great over here. That's good money right there. Two more.
2 more. 625. Let's go.
She's so adorable. Come on. Our neighbor is one away from the grand in a
Come on.
bonus right now. She said, make me happy. I loved it. So good. 2 more. 3.
Alright.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know. What do you think?
3. One more.
Oh, max bet. 4 more.
4 more.
That was crazy. Raise the bet.
Yeah, I knew it.
Maximum sweat.
Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Let's try a couple more here.
Oh, Tiki Fire. Where is your Tiki bonus? I need the volcanoes.
2 more.
Come on.
I'm not on fire right now. Let's go here. Max bet on pennies for big winnies.
2 more.
Come on. You don't gotta bet $1 billion to win good.
Come on. Come on. Where are you at? 2
more.
more.
Want that massive eruption. Let's go. We started the video with the massive eruption. On that
On the.
quadruple pop.
Yep. He was so nice. He just made a little whistle and a sound, and that was that. He gave us extras. 2 more. 1 more. That's our 1 more. You were late, buddy.
Very late.
10s and 9s.
I know.
Oh, our neighbor's on fire too. She's
There
right
we
back
go.
in a bonus.
Neighbor bonuses.
Come on. Oh, 3.
They come in clusters.
Come on.
You want- Come on. One more. One more.
Yeah, each of us. Did you see that? 3.
Three.
3. Backside.
You got diet? 2.
Sorry, guys. Getting a drink. We are a little thirsty. Come on.
Yeah, please.
We need some winning.
Just 1. Thank you. Alright. Had to give some nutrition, or some, not nutrition,
Yeah, that's what I already let them know.
Hydration.
Some fluids here.
because we've gone so hard on
I'm
this
doing
machine.
it, guys. I'm doing it.
1 more. Let's try it, but at 5 cent when you did it, it dropped a major. Crazy ideal. Floor 2,000,
Okay.
12.50 bets,
Come on.
5 cent, 12.50. Come on.
You can do this for us. For the YouTubes. For our friends out there.
The loyal viewers that watch us every day 3. Come on.
To watch us and put up with our nonsense and shenanigans. And if you can't, we still love you, but I'd really like to have a bonus. Oh, neighbor down the neighbor is having a bonus right now.
Could you imagine on the 12.50 how good it'd be?
Be fantastic.
Feels so good.
Couple more here.
Nice.
Oh, now the neighbor is in a bonus.
All right, that didn't work out. Bad idea.
All right, we are cashing out, guys. That is 1,000 on this machine, 900 on the other machine.
So we're up $1,900.
We are taking it.
Like and subscribe.
We'll see you on tomorrow.